Nissan Frontier P0300 Misfire code. I went ahead and removed the intake. And this is where I'm at right now. I went ahead and took it to AutoZone. They told me that the coils were bad, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace all 6 coils. I went ahead and bought them online off of eBay. I got all 6 of them brand new. For $110, I think. That's the part number. And I went ahead and double checked the part number on everything, and it's the same part number from the OEM to this part right here that I bought off of eBay. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace them, and then I'm gonna make another video and show you guys if that fixed the problem or if it's the spark plugs. But I already took it to the scanner and they told me that the coils are bad. So I'm gonna be posting another video. If you have any questions or any comments, please comment below and I can answer any questions. Tenía un Misfire en la Nissan Frontier 2007 y me dijeron de que los coils estaban malos. So compré los 6 nuevos en eBay. Ahorita ya quité todo el intake y es otra pieza, y ahora tengo acceso a todo. So voy a cambiar los 6 para ver si así se le arregla el problema. Si ustedes tienen alguna pregunta o algún comentario, por favor comenten en el video y yo voy a estar respondiendo todas las preguntas.